Hi everybody, welcome back. Hi. Something really exciting happened. Well, I discovered something on Friday while I was on Takealot. I just like to window shop, and lately I've been seeing a lot of cosplays and so forth on Takealot, but this one stood out the most. Demon Slayer cosplays on Takealot. Like, the entire costume, so not just the howdy, you get the entire costume, and that is amazing. And free shipping when you buy it, so it's like you can get it in a matter of days compared to shipping it in and then waiting a whole month or maybe in two months depending on where you buy it from. So the fact that it's on Takealot is, my mind is blown. I had to buy one. I had to buy it. Like, I immediately bought it on Friday, and then the next day I went and collected it from the warehouse or wherever the collecting point, whatever it is. Obviously, Takealot has different shipping options, so you can go collect it yourself. You get the same day delivery, so that's overnight, or just the regular one where it's like a couple of days you have to wait for your thing, for your item. And so yeah, I got Tanjiro. You can see the thing there. We're going to discuss everything. We're going to go into detail on everything. But anyway, so there's Tanjiro, Nezuko, Zenitsu, and Giyu. Or some people call him Tomioka, but yeah, the entire costume. And the best part is, it's gadget time that is selling it. So not only can you buy it from Takealot, you can also go into the store and buy it if you like to do that. I personally like going to the store to buy stuff myself as well, but if you're feeling lazy, you can ship it in and Takealot will bring it to you, your entire costume. Anyway, let's open this up. I've already took a peek and destroyed the bag and everything, but yeah, it's just amazing that Gadget Time is selling cosplays. Like, what? They are growing. Anime figures, everything, even Funko Pops I saw in the store, and those extra long mouse pads, anime mouse pads, and the boob mouse pads. Ah, yes. They're feeding us the things that we need in our lives, the boob mouse pad. Anyway, let's try and open this up. I'm talking nonsense now. Unnecessary nonsense. I'm really excited. I really want to cosplay as Tanjiro. So the fact that this is available to me, I was just like, that makes it so much easier. I mean, I don't mind shipping in, but if I can buy something that comes in a few days, or I can go and fetch it myself, or go to the mall and buy a whole cosplay, that's next level. South Africa is growing. Okay, so this is the shirt. I'm obviously going to try on everything, but let's just take a look at everything first. Okay, it's quite soft. I like that already. Okay. And they got the design, I don't know what this kanji means again. I forgot. I'm old. I can't remember everything. But that's accurate, screen accurate. Yeah. I really like that it's quite soft and very light as well, so that means I'll be very comfortable at convention. So when I wear this, I won't be hot and sweaty and gross and stuff, and it's not super thick. And yeah, it's very good. And also the buttons. The buttons are quite nice. Yeah, I don't know. That's not so important. I like that. Alright, and then the pants. Let's check out the pants. Where am I putting this? Let me just put that there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is nice. It's stretchy, so that means you don't have to worry about whether this is going to fit you or not. That's what I like about pants that come with this, I don't know what you call the fabric, but it's this stretchy thing that you put in between the pants, and it can do that. So that means that it'll fit anybody, which is perfect. I love it when pants are like this. And then obviously it has the whole thingy so you can put the belt in. But the belt is basically an accessory because it's not holding your pants up or anything. It's just this piece is going to keep the thing up, your pants up. Yeah. Okay, that's also accurate. I like that. Because in the anime, when he's wearing his pants, it's quite high up. So it's thick by his knee area. So when you put this on, basically you need to pull it up a little bit and then put the leg wraps or leg warmers, the white part of his pants. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it leg warmers. I think that makes more sense than saying leg wraps. Okay, let's take out the best part. Oh, okay. And then the belt. Cool. Nice. Nice belt. Right. This is gonna be cool. After I cosplay as Tanjiro, I'm definitely going to wear this casually. I mean, it's a howdy that Tanjiro wears in the anime of the main character of Demon Slayer. Come on! I'll even wear this to work. Okay, the same fabric. I'm not very good with the names or types of fabrics and all of that, but this is also very soft, which I like. Okay, this looks good. Okay, we'll obviously have a better look at it when I actually try it on and stuff. So it's the same fabric, also very soft, very cool. And then, okay, yeah, this is just the leg wraps. Anyway, we're gonna try it on, and then if I have anything else to say, I will say it at the end. There's obviously more that I have to say because I have to try it on, and then I can add more detail into what I'm saying, because I'm doing this video also for my viewers and my followers on Instagram, so they can also go and buy it because they're also curious and they want to know about the quality, and that's why I'm doing this for you guys. Anyway, let's try it on. I want to talk about how you wear the leg warmers. Basically like this. So you have to pull the pants up a little bit, the legs at the bottom. You pull the pants up so that it can be like this. It can be big and chunkier by the knee, because if you've seen in the anime, that's literally what it looks like. His pants is all like big and chunky and floofy, like this, because it's like his pants is pulled up a little bit, and then you wrap everything around the leg warmers, and basically that's how you can have it to look like this. And I suggest getting like a safety pin, or you can use Velcro or whatever works for you, and then it can slip down or come loose at conventions. But yeah, that's the leg warmers. So happy. I love how accurate this cosplay is. Now that I put it on and I wore it and I can feel it on my body and all of that stuff, like, I love it so much. First of all, it's screen accurate, especially the howdy. Like, it's not supposed to cover your entire, this area. It's supposed to like end just there, which I like. If you take a look at images of Tanjiro, and you've obviously watched the anime, you can see that his howdy does not like cover this end bit. So that's great. That's already like how it's supposed to look. And then this part. This is exactly like the anime as well. That is also great, because I've seen some people like alter it or make it in their own way or style or whatever, which is not like entirely the same as the anime. As a cosplayer, I really take accuracy seriously. There's nothing wrong with being creative, like it's okay for that, or to do whatever you want to do. But like if you really want to look like the anime character and be as accurate as possible, I feel like this costume is already there, and Gadget Time did a really good job at this, at finding this costume. I don't know how they got it or whatever, how the process of shipping it in, I don't know how. Anyway, yeah, and it's very soft and comfortable. I don't even feel hot right now, and today was super hot in South Africa, so like this is very comfortable. I love it. I could wear this easily to a convention. Yeah, the only thing I need to add is I already said that in the previous video about the leg warmers. You just need like a safety pin, or maybe you can glue on Velcro just to keep the leg warmers together and they won't fall off or whatever. That's the only thing that you would probably need for that. Whatever works for you, that's fine. But yeah, I love it. I am so happy. I can't believe it. Now I just need a wig and the shoes and I'm ready for Comic-Con. I give Gadget Time 5 stars. So on Takealot you can give a rating or whatever. I'm going to give you all the stars. That's how happy I am. And just the convenience of having this costume. I'm going to wear this howdy casually. Just putting that out there. Oh, now I need to get more Demon Slayer figures. I'm just very happy with the quality. Like, very impressed and very happy with the quality and the fact that you can just go and buy this on Takealot. Like, what? You can buy it on Takealot, or you can visit their stores. The store that I go to is Canal Walk because that's the closest, but they have like stores all over Cape Town and so forth. So yeah, yeah. I hope you guys go and buy your costumes because UConn is happening soon in October, and then we have Comic-Con soon, Cape Town Comic-Con next year. But like, yeah, you can get your cosplays together enough time, just in time for UConn. That's exciting. I'm excited. I really hope my wig comes in time. I need to get the earrings. Like, I just need a few more pieces and then this costume is done, basically. This cosplay is done. And this will be my second Demon Slayer cosplay, so that's cool. I know I'm going to do another Demon Slayer cosplay after this one. I'm not sure who, but yeah. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm rambling. Thank you for watching, and I will leave a link below towards all the costumes where you can go and buy it, or just type in Gadget Time on Takealot and you'll immediately find it, or you can type in cosplay or whatever, but I will leave a link down below. And yeah, let me know if you're gonna buy it or if you're gonna cosplay as the characters or whatever. I'm gonna be posting more on my cosplay page of this cosplay, so that's also in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye!